Hello, everyone. I'm glad you're here today. I hope you had a very nice weekend. We have a very challenging week ahead in our preparation of our business plan. This is probably one of the most important sections that you need to do well in your business plan in order to have a great plan that will succeed. This section's on the customer. As you remember, those four key attributes of a business plan that are critical to its success. One, and which we're going to do this week as part of our assignment, is the customer. The second is value. You know you're providing some competitive value, some difference to your customers. Cash, having enough cash in order to be able to finance your business, and having a plan. And that's what we're doing in this course, is developing a plan for your product or service. The customer is absolutely critical. You have to know who you're selling to. You have to know what his likes and dislikes are. You have to know where he buys. All those things are absolutely critical when you write your business plan that you know. Now I'm going to look at an example of 4 customers today that will be very interesting to you as far as one of the things you go through in order to try to define your customer as well as possible. If you look at this group here, we have 4 possible places where you could buy products. They all have different selling points. You have Saks Fifth Avenue, which obviously is at the high end. You have Amazon, which basically sells everything. Walmart as well. And then you have LLB, who is a specialty retailer. And then you look at the possible people maybe that you can sell to. Are you selling to the up-and-coming businessman? Are you selling to teenagers? Are you selling to a retired gentleman who is living off a limited income? Or you're selling to another specialty retailer such as LL Bean. Obviously, how you target where you're going to sell is going to be dictated by who you're selling to. For example, if you were selling high-end suits and shirts, what avenue do you think you'd try to sell through? Would it be Walmart? Probably not high-end. Amazon? Probably not. Saks Fifth Avenue? Probably yes. Saks Fifth Avenue focuses on a high-end business for high-end type consumers. So your plan would have to be driven by what are the needs of this high-end consumer and where would he mostly buy his products. That's the challenge you have in your product or service. Who is your customer? Is he black, white, Hispanic? Is he high income, low income? Is he price sensitive, not price sensitive? All those questions you've got to answer in order to draw this picture or description of your customer. Once you have that, then you can start looking at, okay, I know who he is or she is. I know what all the characteristics are of this person's buying capabilities. So now where is he going to most likely buy? Is he going to buy online? Is he going to buy at a retailer? Is he going to buy at a drugstore? Those are all the things you've got to consider when you develop your profile of your customer and who he is, who she is, how you're going to sell to them, how you're going to price the product in order to attract the person, etc. Really take your time in this section, class, because this is, again, one of the critical parts of a business plan. If you do not do this right, you're not going to have a successful plan at the end. I encourage you, as always, to, when you have questions, you're confused, etc., please contact me. There's multiple ways you can contact me: through email, setting up a video call. We have the discussion board where you can submit your questions to me. But please take advantage of my time, in order to help you succeed in this course, because that is my major goal for your success. And again, I'll work with you this week as I have every other week in order to helping you develop a tremendous customer analysis and plan to sell to him or her. Thank you very much, and I hope you have a great week, and I'll be talking to you soon.